Podcast Network Asia.
You are listening to First Metro Securities Philippine Stock Market Weekly Podcast, where we feature timely and relevant discussions on the Philippine stock market and the economy in the hope of providing you investing and trading guidance. Here's your host.
Think about it. Why should you only get rewarded at the finish line? In life, we love a 2-for-1 deal. So why not our investing, right? In this episode, we will discover reward-based investment, a system where achieving your goals and receiving rewards happen at the exact same time. It's the ultimate win-win and the best motivator you'll ever find. Welcome to the Philippine Stock Market Weekly Podcast. I am Monath Pangatungan, a market educator and business development officer for Visayas at First Metro Securities. Our mission is to equip clients and the public with essential investment knowledge, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. Today, we are diving deep into reward-based investing. And to help us explore how it can be a game changer in the investment landscape, I am thrilled to be joined by Joseph Angelo Ladaban, institutional business from BPI Wealth. Welcome, Anjo.
Thank you, Moneth. It's great to be here and discuss such an exciting topic today.
Yes, so Anjo, let's start by defining reward-based investment. Can you enlighten us with that concept?
Yes, definitely. A reward-based investment is a type of investment na kung saan on top of potential capital appreciation, may nakukuha pang non-financial rewards ang ating mga contributors in exchange for their subscriptions. These rewards can range from exclusive products to special experiences.
So with this system, how does BPI Wealth leverage this approach?
And magandang tanong din yan, no, Monet? So, paano nga ba naming nagagamit yung concept na to? In the case of BPI Wealth Builder Multi-Asset Fund, the goal goes beyond your wealth. Nagbibigay rin ito ng mga health-related benefits as a form of reward, encouraging you, our investors, to invest consistently while safeguarding your well-being.
So both wealth and at the same time health-related benefits. Can you expound further kung ano ba yung BPI Wealth Builder?
The BPI Wealth Builder, no? It's a mutual fund that allows investors to have a very flexible approach when it comes to investing. As a multi-asset fund, may capability ito to take advantage of the stability ng fixed income as well as the potential growth naman ng equities. Kaya rin nito to be exposed both in the local and international markets.
Interesting, both fixed income and as well as equities, even local and international markets. So what makes BPI Wealth Builder stand out from other na mga funds?
Ayan, that's another great question, no, Monet. So, the BPI Wealth Builder Fund is the first mutual fund here in the Philippines to offer additional rewards at no extra cost to its investors. Beyond financial growth, it also promotes investors' well-being through health-related benefits from investing in the fund.
Ganda ng rewards na yun, ha? So how can you get rewarded for investing more?
Okay, so paano ba natin yan makukuha, no? The fund features 9 investment milestones, each unlocking a new benefit to its investors. As contributors increase their placements, dumadami ang access nila sa mga HMO-like perks ng fund, making it both financially and personally rewarding. So for example, no, kapag na-reach na ng investor natin ang 100,000 in the BPI Wealth Builder, you unlock free medical consultations. 18 to be exact, no, mga video consults in a year yan. Isipin mo yon, may na-e-enjoy kang HMO-like benefit while your 100,000 is invested and growing. Magbibigay pa ako ng isang example mo na. Kapag sa 400,000 naman na benefit tier, you also unlock free life insurance coverage. So imagine naman if, knock on wood, no, something happens to you, yung beneficiaries mo will still be able to receive compensation from the insurance coverage. Covered ka without having to pay extra for the premiums. Nag-invest ka lang. Okay, 'di ba? Lastly, gusto ko lang din i-add no na habang lume-level up ka sa from one milestone to another, pwedeng-pwede mo pa rin regularly ma-enjoy yung mga benefits that you were already able to unlock. Gaya ng examples ko kanina, kapag 400,000 na ang investment mo, may life insurance ka na, 'di ba? You'll also still be able to have the annual medical consultations. Kasama pa rin yan. So, you're still able to have both, no?
So, different perks from 100,000 hanggang naging 400,000. Kaya importante ma-monitor yung investment. So, how can investors monitor their investment achievements? At paano ba nare-redeem yung rewards?
If I'm not mistaken, no, kaya dapat ng mga investors makitang investments nila through FundSmart, which will provide them yung real-time updates. Tapos, kapag eligible naman sila for a specific reward, the benefit provider will notify them directly as well, no? So, either via email or SMS, they will reach out. Kapag gagamitan naman ang mga benefits na to, no, pag i-redeem, investors may need to download the provider's mobile app and register, as well as follow the instructions to claim the reward.
So, ayun, monitor lang via First MetroSec platform, and then notification is via SMS and as well as email. So, going to the next question, what are your tips so investors can complete the 9 phases?
For me, no, if investors want to reach all 9 milestones, I think the best tip that I can get is that consistency is key, Moneth, no? Ang pinakamadaling tip para makuha lahat ng benefits is to subscribe regularly and consistently to the BPI Wealth Builder. By maintaining a steady investment habit, kayang-kaya to eventually enjoy lahat ng benefits na mabibigay ng Wealth Builder Fund. Mama-maximize din both your financial growth and the rewards that come with it over time.
Yes, agree ako dyan in being consistent. And this is really something new and very interesting fund to start building your wealth. With BPI Wealth's new fund, it really offers a compelling way para ang mga investors ay maging consistent. So thank you so much, Anjo, for joining us today.
My pleasure, Maneth. Thanks for having me, no?
And before we wrap up, do you have any parting words for our listeners? And sino ba yung perfect na investors para dito?
Yes, sige. So, I hope, no, today's podcast inspires both new and existing investors to explore and invest sa bago naming mutual fund, the BPI Wealth Builder. Bagay ito for freelancers who don't have health and insurance coverage. This is also suitable for breadwinners na gustong magdagdag ng isa pang layer of protection for themselves and their loved ones without compromising yung mga investment goals nila, no? Pwede rin ito for parents who are looking for a good first investment for their children who are entering yung adulting phase nila. May mga Pinoy rin pag retired na, no, at 60 or baka earlier na gusto pa rin ng health benefits, and the Wealth Builder Fund can extend some of those benefits up until 65 years old. So naniniwala talaga ako, Moneth, na this fund can uplift the lives of Filipinos, not just financially, but also by promoting better health through its innovative reward-based features.
And thank you, Anjo, for sharing that information. Very suitable sa mga freelancer, breadwinner, even sa mga retirees. So for our listeners interested in exploring this further, you may check your First MetroSec account via the website and click Funds. Look for BPI Wealth under Investment Providers and click BPI Wealth Builder. So that's it for today's episode. We are glad you could join us, and we hope you picked up valuable ideas for your investing journey. And don't forget to tune in again for more market updates and learning sessions. This has been the Philippine Stock Market Weekly Podcast, brought to you by First Metro Securities, where we put your future first.
Thanks for listening to First Metro Securities Philippine Stock Market Weekly Podcast. Don't forget to follow us to get first dibs on our new episodes. For more up-to-date market news and info, exclusive content, and the opportunity to connect with your fellow Filipino investors and traders, join facebook.com/groups/FirstMetroSec and be part of the First MetroSec family.
First MetroSec is providing this podcast as a general market commentary. Reference to any specific security, product, or entity do not constitute as an offer or a solicitation of an offer to buy or sell any financial instruments or to participate in any particular trading strategy. The statements, comments, views, or opinions expressed by the hosts are subject to change without notice, and First MetroSec is under no obligation to update, amend, change, or correct any of the statements, comments, views, or opinions expressed. The statements, comments, views, and opinions expressed by the guests are their own and do not necessarily reflect the view of First MetroSec. First MetroSec disclaims any liability arising from reliance on or reference to any information obtained in this podcast.
The views and opinions expressed by the podcast creators, hosts, and guests do not necessarily reflect the official policy and position of Podcast Network Asia, the hosts of the program, or other programs of the network. Any content provided by the people on the podcast are of their own opinion and are not intended to malign any religion, ethnic group, club, organization, company, individual, or anyone or anything.